First of all, I would like to thank Lincoln Co for giving me this opportunity. Myself Hatem, raised in Kuwait and currently managing the family business, Johor International Optical Company. We have 4 branches all around the Kuwait, started in 2005. We deal in luxury eyewear, which consists of different international brands. My father, he always had this entrepreneurship skill, he was very ambitious about his field, where he's been there almost 40 years now in opticals. So one fine day we started with a small shop back in Kuwait City in 2005. Then he was always active, learning about it and getting deep in it, learning about to the level what we have reached today. So it's all about like going with the trend in the market. First of all, at the initial stage of the pandemic, we had no clue on how the coming up months would be. At a point of time, things changed here in Kuwait, where malls were not allowed to be open and only shops, retail stores on the streets were allowed to be open for certain hours. That was the peak time where we had customers coming in, and idol since the childhood, and I've always loved watching his movies over and over again. So in the movie Rais, he wore an optical frame which was from the Ray-Ban, and I still have customers coming and asking for not about the particular model name of Ray-Ban Aviator, but the glasses told by what Shah Rukh has worn in the movie Rais, and they are one of our best sellers till date. A very good question. With the current situation here and the travel restrictions, yes, for no second reason, I'd like to be in India, my home country, be there, explore different locations, have a relaxing time around in India, meet family, relatives, friends, and just take a break from the daily lifestyle here.